ghouls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you ghouls a makeover I did for my office, because for the longest time my office was just disorganized. Fellow artists out there, I know you ghouls know that when your space is cluttered, your mind is cluttered, and I just couldn't come up with no ideas. I just couldn't get anything straight. I kept being stuck and I was just getting frustrated by all the mess, and I had no space in my office. I had everything just all over the place, and that's how my mind was. So I finally decided to make over my office, organize everything, and get rid of things that I really don't need, and just organize everything I had and all my creations. I cannot believe the difference it looks like. I love it so much better, and I have so much space to create new things. So here we go, and I'm going to show you ghouls how I made over my office. This is my office, all done and organized. I'm so happy to finally have some more space in my office. It's more of an open plan now. For most of the furniture I have in my office, I've had them in other rooms and I just cleaned them up and moved them in here. But for things that I bought recently, I will link them down below if you ghouls are interested in purchasing them as well. The chair, I got it on Amazon. The two drawers on each side of my desks, they're knockoff versions of the IKEA drawers, and I got those at Michael's. The desk mat with the moons, I got it on Etsy. The computer stand, I got it on Amazon. Those candle stands, I got them at Bath & Body Works in 2020. That little organizing thing I have in the background, I got it from Michael's. And then I had those little shelves in the kids' room. They didn't want it anymore, so I decided to make an art inspiration wall for me, and I don't know what to design. And then the cauldron, I got it at Party City. I thought of an idea to have a cauldron to stash all my small pieces of fabric or scraps of fabric I have, for I could reuse them in other pieces. I cleaned out the closet because it was full of junk, and I finally have space to hang all my creations and my patterns in that closet, so it's very spacious, and I even have my shipping material in there. And this cubing storage unit, I got it from Target in the little cube drawers. I got them at the Dollar Tree. I always try to go to the Dollar Tree as my first choice for anything I need for storage or organizing. And then all the little jars I've been collecting every year for Halloween, those I'm using to store all my buttons or spikes or anything I need to add that is tiny to the garment. I put it in those jars, and it makes it more of a Halloween, gothic-y, witchy aesthetic to it. And then I moved my sewing machines to the other side of the room. My light star, I will link it down below. It's the best lighting I've had so far when I'm shooting my product, where I could put them on my Etsy shop. And then my table, what I did is I created a shelving underneath my cutting table, where I could put my rolls of fabric under there and they wouldn't be in my way. Okay, ghouls, I hope you ghouls enjoyed me showing you how I made over my office. I am completely thrilled and happy how it came out. So ghouls, that's me making over my office. I finally have the right space and inspiration that I need to create new things. And if you ghouls love these kinds of videos of me organizing or showing you how to like make over little sections, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to see future videos and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. But for now, I'll see you next time, ghouls. Bye!